Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. Today's topic is Indian Desert, Thar and Run of Kutch. Indian Desert, Thar and Run of Kutch. The Indian Desert is the arid and semi-arid geographical region of northwestern India. Its major part occurs as the Thar Desert in Rajasthan, while towards the west and southwest it is geographically connected with the arid regions of Pakistan and the Kutch region of Gujarat. The Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. It is one of the major hot deserts of the world and is notable for having a relatively high population density compared with most other deserts. Within India, most of the Thar Desert lies in western Rajasthan. Jaisalmer, Barmer, Bikaner and Jodhpur are among its major desert regions. Transitional arid and semi-arid conditions associated with the Thar extend beyond Rajasthan into parts of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. The Aravalli Range forms an important eastern geographical boundary of the Thar Desert. Aridity generally increases towards the west of the Aravallis. Low and highly variable rainfall, high temperatures, intense evaporation, sparse vegetation and aeolian processes are the major factors shaping the desert environment. The Aravallis run roughly parallel to the direction of the southwest monsoon winds. Therefore, they do not effectively force these winds to rise and produce substantial orographic rainfall over western Rajasthan. The effectiveness of moisture-bearing monsoon winds also decreases towards western Rajasthan. Consequently, rainfall generally declines from east to west across the desert region. Rainfall in the Thar is highly variable and unreliable. Short episodes of intense rainfall may be separated by prolonged dry periods. Summer temperatures can become extremely high, while the difference between day and night temperatures is considerable. Winter nights may become quite cold. The surface of the Thar is not entirely covered by sand. Sand dunes occur along with rocky surfaces, gravel plains, saline depressions and areas of inland drainage. Wind is one of the most important geomorphic agents in the Thar. Through erosion, transportation and deposition, it produces a variety of aeolian landforms. Bachans are crescent-shaped sand dunes generally formed where winds blow predominantly from one direction and the supply of sand is limited. Longitudinal dunes form elongated sandy ridges approximately parallel to the dominant wind direction. Such extensive dune systems occur in western Rajasthan. Vegetation can develop on stable and semi-stable dunes. Grasses and shrubs bind the sand and reduce the rate of dune migration. Active and shifting dunes are more prominent in the western parts of the Thar, while many dunes become increasingly stabilized towards the relatively better vegetated eastern margins. Surface drainage in the desert is weak and poorly integrated. Many streams flow only briefly after rainfall and subsequently disappear into sandy terrain or inland depressions. The Luni is the most important river of the Thar region. It originates near the Aravalli region and flows southwestward across Rajasthan towards the Run of Kutch. The water of the Luni becomes increasingly saline in its lower course because of high evaporation and the saline characteristics of the surrounding dry terrain. Numerous inland drainage basins occur in the Thar, where streams terminate in internal depressions or saline lakes instead of reaching the sea. Sambhar is the most important inland saline lake associated with this arid region. It is the largest inland salt lake of India and is located in Rajasthan. Didwana, Pachpatra and Lunkaransar are other important saline lakes associated with the inland drainage of Rajasthan. These saline lakes are related to poor external drainage and intense evaporation. As water evaporates, dissolved salts remain behind and become increasingly concentrated. Desert soils are generally sandy, poor in humus and locally saline. With adequate irrigation, however, some desert soils can support productive agriculture. Natural vegetation is sparse and drought-resistant. Khechri, babul, rohida, ber, thorny shrubs and various grasses are adapted to the arid environment. Khechri has particular ecological importance in the desert. Its deep roots, drought tolerance and usefulness in agro-pastoral systems make it highly valuable in Rajasthan. Livestock rearing is an important component of the traditional desert economy. Sheep, goats, camels and other livestock provide a major source of livelihood where rainfall-dependent agriculture is uncertain. Irrigation has transformed the economic landscape of parts of the Thar. The Indira Gandhi Canal has carried irrigation water into several dry areas of northwestern Rajasthan. Canal irrigation has enabled the expansion of crops such as wheat, cotton and mustard and has encouraged permanent agriculture and settlement in previously water-deficient regions. However, irrigation has also produced problems of waterlogging and soil salinity in some areas. Efficient drainage is therefore essential for sustainable irrigation in desert environments. The Thar has considerable potential for solar and wind energy. High solar radiation, extensive open land and favorable wind conditions have made Rajasthan an important region for renewable energy development. Large solar and wind energy projects around Jaisalmer and other desert areas have introduced a significant new dimension to regional land use and economic activity. Desertification in the region is not purely a natural process. Overgrazing, vegetation degradation, inappropriate land use and wind erosion can accelerate land degradation. The Run of Kutch differs fundamentally from the sandy landscape of the Thar Desert. The Run of Kutch is a vast saline marshy plain located in the Kutch region of Gujarat. Rather than being a conventional sand-dominated desert, it is a salt-covered lowland that becomes seasonally inundated. The run is broadly divided into the Great Run of Kutch and the Little Run of Kutch. The Great Run of Kutch forms an extensive saline plain to the north and east of the Kutch region. A substantial part lies close to the India-Pakistan border. The Little Run of Kutch lies southeast of the Great Run and extends between the Kutch region and mainland Gujarat. The present landscape of the run has developed through the combined influence of marine, fluvial, tectonic and depositional processes. In the geological past, the Kutch region had a more extensive connection with the sea. Sediment deposition and crustal changes gradually contributed to the transformation of shallow marine areas into saline lowlands. Kutch is a geologically active region. Faulting and tectonic movements have played an important role in the evolution of its landscape. The Allah Bandh, formed during the 1819 Kutch earthquake, is a classic example of tectonic deformation and sudden surface modification in the region. During the monsoon, parts of the run may become covered by shallow water due to rainfall, local runoff and the entry of saline or marine water. During the dry season, intense evaporation removes much of this water and leaves extensive white salt crusts on the surface. This seasonal transformation is a defining characteristic of the run. The Little Run of Kutch is an important salt-producing region. Saline groundwater and intense evaporation provide favorable conditions for salt production. The Little Run is also famous as the major natural habitat of the Indian wild ass. The Indian wild ass sanctuary protects this distinctive arid and saline ecosystem. Elevated island-like areas known as beds occur within the run. They remain above the surrounding low-lying saline plains and provide relatively favorable habitats. Khadir Bet is an important elevated area within the Great Run region. Dholavira, an important archaeological site of the Harappan civilization, is located on Khadir Bet. Its location provides important evidence for understanding the relationship between ancient settlement and the changing environment of Kutch. Tidal creeks such as Kauri Creek and Sir Creek form part of the coastal and saline landscape of the northern Kutch region. Although both the Thar and the Run of Kutch occur in arid environments, their origin and physical character are different. The Thar is predominantly an Aeolian sandy desert, while the Run is primarily a saline, seasonally inundated marshy lowland. Sand dunes, ephemeral streams and inland drainage are characteristic features of the Thar, whereas salt crusts, seasonal flooding, tidal influences and beds are distinctive features of the run. Both regions possess fragile ecosystems. Despite water scarcity, salinity, extreme temperatures and limited vegetation, they support distinctive wildlife and specialized patterns of human adaptation. The Thar and Kutch also have considerable strategic importance because of their international border location. Development of roads, railways and other infrastructure is therefore linked with both regional development and national security. For examination purposes, The Thar should be associated with its location west of the Aravallis, low rainfall, Aeolian landforms, the Luni River, inland drainage, saline lakes in the Indira Gandhi Canal. The Run of Kutch should be associated with the Great Run, Little Run, seasonal inundation, saline surfaces, tectonic activity, beds, salt production and the habitat of the Indian wild ass. For map-based study, particular attention should be given to the relative locations of the Thar Desert, Aravalli Range, Jaisalmer, Barmer and Bikaner, the Luni River, Sambhar and other saline lakes, the Great Run, Little Run and the Kutch region. Thank you very much for joining us. For more useful study material, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Pariksha Academy channel.